feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To convert Kindle books to EPUB for free, you can use a tool called Calibre. Calibre is a free, open-source ebook management software that supports a wide range of ebook formats, including converting from Kindle's format to EPUB. First, download and install Calibre. Then, add your Kindle books to the Calibre library. Once added, select the books you wish to convert, click Convert Books, and choose EPUB as the output format. Start the conversion, and once finished, you'll have your EPUB file ready. Ensure you legally own the books you're converting.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.